We provide visual oversight so you can make fast and accurate decisions for public safety. Reduce resources required with high-end accuracy and auditing trials for railroad inspections. Our services can drive down operational costs, increase accuracy, improve reliability, and reduce time to resolve. Provide situational awareness after an environmental disaster. We provide accurate and fast energy infrastructure inspections. And most importantly, doing all this in real time, this gets the insights to the people who need it most fast. We connect to field operations and office through sensors which we call devices. Be it a drone, a robot, a camera or an IoT sensor, these devices can be streamed in low latency anywhere in the world.